Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into AI automation systems that are revolutionizing how tasks get automated in business and tech.
That's right. So, what's the core idea behind these systems?
Well, at its heart, AI automation systems are designed to integrate artificial intelligence into everyday processes. They take routine procedures and automate them to boost efficiency, making humans focus on higher
Got
level
it.
tasks.
So, it's almost like having a smart assistant that handles the repetitive stuff for you, right?
Exactly. It's like imagine your office having this digital worker who handles data entry, scheduling, even customer queries, and it constantly learns to get better at those tasks.
Yeah, but isn't there a risk that these systems might oversimplify complex decisions?
That's a fair point. These systems need to be carefully designed to know which tasks can safely be automated and which ones
Right?
require
Yep.
human intuition. It's not just plug and play.
And what about scalability? How do these AI systems handle scaling operations in large enterprises?
Well, they usually involve cloud infrastructures and adaptive learning algorithms that can scale resources dynamically. It's like a garden where the plants they grow as needed based on the available water and sunlight. It makes the AI
Interesting.
pretty agile.
Sure, but sometimes I think companies oversell the benefits. Aren't there significant challenges in ensuring reliability and security?
Absolutely. There's a valid critique there. Building secure AI systems means constant monitoring and update cycles. The systems need robust fail-safes to prevent any unintended consequences.
Exactly, yeah.
It's a balancing act between efficiency and risk management.
And I imagine that continuous learning is key, right? The AI must keep updating itself from the environment.
Yep, exactly. These systems leverage real-time data, algorithms that learn and improve, and that's what makes them so adaptive. It's like you're teaching the system continuously, so it becomes more and more refined over time.
That's pretty cool. So, in a nutshell, AI automation systems are enhancing productivity, but they require meticulous design to handle risk, scalability, and security.
Precisely. And they offer exciting prospects for sectors like manufacturing, finance, even healthcare, transforming how processes operate globally.
Yep,
It's a
absolutely.
shift that's hard to ignore.
Really makes you wonder how our daily workflow might change in the next few years with these systems.
For sure, the potential is huge. And while there are challenges, the benefits of streamlining operations are just too impactful to pass up.
It's like we're stepping into a future where efficiency goes hand in hand with innovation, huh?
Yep, it's a future where AI doesn't just take over menial tasks, but augments our capabilities, making us partners rather than replacements.
Right. Well, thanks for breaking that down. It's been an illuminating chat on AI automation systems.
Always a pleasure. Here's to a smarter, more efficient future.